Hi everyone and welcome back to Computer Bytes. My name is Aoyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to drive organic traffic, real traffic to your Fiverr gigs. So this video is going to be the part 2 of the last video which I published. In case you haven't watched my last video on how to get organic traffic, 1000 impressions and clicks daily to your Fiverr gigs, you can watch my series on how to go about that in my channel. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to show you another means which you can get traffic and clicks to your Fiverr gig in order to boost your gig and rankings on Fiverr platform. So this platform is called Traffic Ape. So the first thing you have to do is to come to this website trafficape.com. I'm going to leave the link as well in the description of the video. So all you have to do is to log in or sign up and create an account. So once you are done signing up, you need to log into your account. Now the way this platform works is this: you can either upgrade to super awesome for only 0.08 cents a day. That means you'll be able to get points. So you need points in order for you to earn traffic from Traffic Ape. But now if you are just getting started and you just want to test play around this platform, all you have to do is to you need to work to earn in order for you to earn daily traffic. And how are you going to do this is, so once you come to the platform here, now you can see these are my daily impressions so far. So on daily basis you have the opportunity to earn 25 free traffics directly to your gig every day. So the way it works is that the first thing you have to do is to come here and click on add a URL. So when you click on add a URL, then you can paste in your Fiverr gig link. But I suggest for a proper monitoring of your account, you can come to kotlin.ly. I think I shared the link as well in my last video regarding boosting your gig. So all you have to do is to come here and then you can click on the dashboard and short link your gig. So you can paste in your gig link here and then copy the gig link, the short link, so you can track your gig analytics. So if I should click here now, you can see this was the last gig which I showed you guys in my last video. Now you can see the traffic and impression. This was yesterday traffic, 315 clicks on this my gig. Now you can see you can monitor where the clicks are coming from, the devices that are clicking it, then where the traffic was coming up from. I showed you guys how to make use of traf.up last time, which was this. I'm actually still using it as well. So on daily basis I strive as much as possible to earn at least 5,000 points, so that I can use it to promote my Fiverr gigs. So if you haven't watched the video, you have to go back and watch the video. So let's continue. So the same thing, you just have to copy the short link here, and then you need to paste it here so that you can track the activities of your gig. Then you click on add. So I'm not going to add it because I already have one added already. So this is it, and then all you have to do is to click on earn traffic now. So on daily basis you have to keep doing this on daily basis. What this is going to do for you is you need to watch other people's ads. So you'll be given, when you give out 25 traffic, you also gain back 25 traffic. So it's just a matter of give and take, just like the traf.up are off as well. So all you have to do here is to click on earn traffic now. Then you can see it says a pop-up window will appear and display web pages from the community. Some content may be inappropriate, so turn your volume down or off. And last thing is to report any inappropriate URLs when you are finished. So after that you need to click on this I understand, start my session. So it's going to pop up and you need to sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I need to watch 25 hours of traffic from traffic here. You can see it has recorded one for me here. So we will keep checking this, and then the thing will automatically be reloaded itself. So this is the first traffic which I'm giving traffic here. But sometimes when this thing is not really working, you need to close it and start all over again. So you can see it's actually not really showing me another hours. So what I'm going to do is to close this, click on end traffic again. So you can do this as many times as possible. Now it's going to change this to 2. You can see that's changed it to 3, so that means it's ready. Now you can see this person as well is also making use of traffic tape, this platform, to promote their Fiverr gig. Now I suggest that when you are doing this, make sure you are using another browser which you don't log in your Fiverr account to, because Fiverr is very strict with something like this. When they notice that you are using your Fiverr account to check other people's profile just to earn them traffic, so that is just like, to them, it's to their bot, it might mean something else. So which is why I recommend, or it is highly recommended, that you use another separate browser to do something like this. So anytime you are trying to promote your Fiverr gig link using the P2N platforms like this, you need to make sure that you are not using the browser which you sign in your Fiverr account in, so that you'll be on the safer side. Now you can see here the traffic given right now from my end is 10, and it will keep increasing until it's reached 25. So once it gets to 25 traffic given, it's going to stop automatically. And so let me close this, and then I will also receive 25 traffic from other people and clicks as well. Now once that is done, you need to, you can come back here later on, you see the traffic given there. You also receive 25 organic traffic directly from other people as well. So this is the simple approach which you can use to drive traffic also to your gigs on daily basis. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you have any question, any comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to respond to you guys. Have a lovely time. Bye.